going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is the month of December, so Merry Christmas. I'm rocking the Corgi Santa Claus. Freaking David.
Yo, you told me to start filming.
It's okay.
Okay.
You guys see the title. Cheap Finds Friday is back. Yes! If you guys... If you guys don't follow the vlog channel, you wouldn't know that I picked up a brand new car. So this is the brand new sneakerhead in the Baymobile. This is a 2004 Lexus GX470. And if you get real close, you can see that David and I just had a little bit of fun in this. So if you guys want to check that out, it'll be on the vlog channel where we do all the car stuff. And that'll be linked down below.
Chee-hoo!
Hey.
Oh, your doctor just texted. Do you still have the bumps? He said it's not what you think it is.
Is it not the crabs?
He said
It's not the Krabby
he said
Patties?
come back and said he's never seen this before. He also has something for you.
That's not funny, dude.
Okay.
You have the bumps too. You're the one that gave it to me. Who brought this hunk out today? Mary Mario?
Where is this hunk you're talking about?
Dude, it's right here. Damn, look at this guy. Jordan 4s, Nike pants, Mary Mario. Sheesh.
Get a close up, Brady. Close up.
Oh, he's a real sneakerhead.
Where are you?
Wait, get mine. Wait, full body.
Go. Damn. Oh, wait, real quick. Show him how to jerk. Oh, hey.
Oh!
Yo, give me jerky.
Oh, hey. Oh! Hold on. Give me.
Yo!
Alright, let's get this video started. Alright, back to business. Starting off at Ross, we're at Livermore Outlets. Livermore Outlets are across from us, but we're gonna go to Ross first because David has something that he's looking for. That's not me.
Stop.
Christmas is in about 1 week, so let me know if you guys need any suggestions for Christmas gifts, because I certainly do. You guys could help me out and just give me general good gift ideas. Drop it in the comment section down below. Let's help each other out and let's see if we could bless those around us with some awesome gifts this season. Now I'm blessed because I have the only gift that I need. Oh, they have Crocs.
Well, I've never seen those. This is a collab. Guys, I just found face rug merch. Stop, dude. Not long time.
All right, guys, we're at the Livermore Outlets now. Ross's booty. Couldn't find anything. So let's see if we can find any cool stuff at this outlet. We're currently in Pepper Palace right now. All this hot sauce. If you guys know me, you know I like spicy. Oh, this is heaven.
They got the vibes.
Yeah, they do got the vibes. Try the hottest sauce.
Dude,
I'm down.
all these hot sauce in here, you're still the hottest thing in here.
Ooh, only if you can get the goosebumps on me right now. Sheesh.
How much you want?
Just a little bit.
What's a little?
Jesus.
Jeez.
That's a little bit?
Any last words?
I'll match it.
No, I should be fine. We don't got any water or anything.
Keep your masks on.
Yeah, sure. Let me just eat this through my mask. Okay, guys.
Water's $8 here. Are you ready? Cheers.
David, have a tiny
little bit. Oh no!
a dot.
Dude, you know how I can't even say
touch.
I can't even handle ketchup.
Alright, I'll eat it and then you kiss me.
Okay.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
It's like
You guys made the same face at the same time.
because it probably hit us.
When it started to kick in.
I didn't taste that first.
No, it's good.
It's not too bad.
Little tang right here. But these are the hot ones, like super hot. Oh, so they gotta sign that?
That's how you know it's legit.
That looks a little scary now that you gotta sign some shit.
Do it. I'll do it.
What flavor is that?
That kind of hurt my stomach though. It wasn't spicy, but
I ended up buying something because we literally have probably tried maybe like 20 different sauces and I felt bad, so I bought something from this store. It's called Pepper Palace. Yeah, we're just walking around. I don't think we're gonna find anything too crazy, but oh my god, what is going on? Hey, don't touch my man like that, bro.
Oh wait, they have Royals here.
Just found one store that we want to hit, but there's a line right now, so we're just gonna walk around and see. I'm trying to get a puffer from North Face, maybe David as well. Are you thinking about it?
Are you buying it for me?
Merry Christmas.
Oh,
This is season of giving, right?
I'll take 2.
Should we tell them or no? Is it too soon?
Tell them what?
This is gonna be our sneaker store right here. Right now it's Bliss, but we're under construction.
They forgot to add the kicks. It's gonna be Bliss kicks, but
Bliss kicks coming soon. We just knocked down that back wall. We're creating a inventory area. This is gonna be located at the Livermore outlets. Just letting you guys know, you guys are the first to hear it. How do you feel, David?
great.
Rap's gonna be doing all the buyouts. Should be sick. But yeah, I really want a puffer jacket. Those things are expensive. I think they're like $240 retail,
Something like that.
$200-300, but at the outlets they're like 40% off. So
Is that
Might
one
be
for
a
sure
cop.
40% off? Or
I saw it like that where it was on the rack. It said 40% off that.
sometimes it's
area.
like excludes this.
That would suck.
Or no. What is wrong? Bro, why'd they do him like that?
So they don't get the copyright.
It's
But
licensed.
it's Nickelodeon.
We just found some space shoes. Suggested retail, 450 clams. David, show them what we got right here.
What the hell do these do?
Oh my god.
Dude,
3D
the shoelaces
printed?
are not even thick.
It's so weird. What is this? Who's actually buying this?
Elon Musk.
Mark Zuckerberg.
For the metaverse?
Yeah.
Link in the description to buy David's NFTs. Oh my god. Are you okay? Ooh, they got some lunch boxes here. They look like the Air Jordan 1 boxes. That's pretty cool. Oh, you can write your name on it too. You would wear that?
I would.
With your fuzzy jacket that's like that? Want it? I'll buy it for you.
Dude, the scarf is dope too.
I'll buy it for you.
No, I'll get my plug to buy it for me. I'll take it.
You look cozy. You look cozy.
Dude, it's warm.
Was it warm?
Kinda, yeah.
This scarf is really cool too.
You guys would never believe what happened. So we left, right? It's 7:01. They close at 7 o'clock. And there's still people in there and they wouldn't let us in. It's messed up, man.
Yeah. They just lost the sale.
I'm gonna talk to management. It's ridiculous.
You
We thought the outlets would close a little bit later, but they close at like 7 o'clock. So we're over here at Stone Ridge, which is a mall not too far from that outlet that we were just at. So this is just gonna be like, you know, we're just chilling. Like it's mainly like a vlog now, to be honest.
Stop yelling at me.
Shut the up.
Oh, dude, you're... that hurt.
That's my left hand. Here, try this one. Yeah, we're just vlogging, guys. We're just vlogging. I hope everybody is having a beautiful December. List 3 of your New Year's resolutions down in the comment section right now. No BS. You got to stick to it. And I was getting my car aligned. I was with Kwong, and he said,
Actually, speaking of Kwong.
"Are you wearing a shirt?"
Yes.
Damn. Hayward Alignment.
Shout out Kwong.
Link in the description.
Swipe up.
He thought that rap skip was pretty cool. So
Thank you guys
for
again.
Christmas, you're welcome. You're very welcome. For Christmas, I'm gonna get Kwong a Lego Porsche. Since he likes Legos, enjoy. I know you're watching this right now. I know you're getting a Woody right now. $800 Millennium Falcon. Dude, like where would you even put this? Whenever I see Legos, I could just feel it on my feet. Like walking on Legos. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Bro, we just came up. Holy shit.
Yo.
What size, dude?
I
What
already
size,
saw
what
an
size, what size?
XL.
Dude, how is this all? Dude, we struck gold. These are sold out everywhere, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
You've been looking for these.
They're hella hard to get.
There you go. 2XL.
2XL? I might get a red XL. David and I just came up on our LRT skeleton hoodies. So I got the last XL in a red, and then David got a red XL, and he also got a black XL. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. That was the first time that I've seen like some consignment stuff in mainland.
I think in other states
They have a consignment
they
also?
do, yeah, but it's weird how come like not by us they do it.
Yeah, so by us, they don't have any consignment stuff. This one, they have Supreme, Bape. They had some sneakers for sale also. But yeah, all these were for retail. So huge shout out to Kwong. $100 a piece. And when they first came out, they're going for $200 on the resale market. So we're happy. We're happy campers.
Heck yeah.
Dude, that just flipped the whole day around. I was having fun, but now I'm having even more fun.
Yes.
This robot is making coffee. 2016 days, David. You gonna win something?
Yo, hit us up if anyone's trying to buy a Keymaster, honestly.
We still have
We have
ours.
one for sale. Perfect condition. Hit us up if you're serious.
Bay Area locals, okay?
We do not ship.
We do not ship. We do not drop off. You gotta figure that out. But yes, we have a Keymaster for sale. You can either DM David or DM me on Instagram. And just like that, it's daytime and we're back at the outlets. David and I really wanted those North Faces, so we're back to come get what's ours.
Hey, remember me? Remember me from yesterday? You didn't let us in. Look how many we're walking out with now. And you don't get the commission.
Okay, we gotta wait in the line. Oh, it would suck if they were all sold out. And we're in. Those aren't the ones we wanted?
No.
No, dude. Shut up. Shut up. These are still kind of cool. Actually, I don't know. I gotta try it on.
$750.
700? That's why they're still here, bro.
I'm go home, dude.
Dude, I made this joke outside. Watch them be 500. Watch them be 500.
Go
This one's 270 though.
Oh yeah, this one is a little different.
Why is that one? No, they're the same. It's just purple. Look, they got the same pocket.
I'm gonna go home.
Bro, that's just a typo. This one's gonna say 250. Never mind.
How does that one fit?
It fits like $750. 270.
Huh?
I don't know why the green color isn't as much as the other ones. They're exactly the same.
I kind of like this. That's kind of cool.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's ink inside. It's pretty sick. Comes with it. Yeah. Might get the large.
Good call. Because we're not coming back here to return it.
They don't have anything we want, so I'm just kind of buying this. 40-minute drive, so. No, this is cool. I like it. I like the color.
You're forcing it. Don't force it.
I like it, dude. Honestly, it feels comfortable. And here we go. I spent, where is it? 142? 142 and retail was 270. All right. No, David's not happy. Dude, it's okay.
Turn it off.
I didn't even want this.
Turn it off.
I just bought it because you drove.
I only bought it because you wasted your gas.
Yeah. Yesterday I didn't care. It was my gas. And just like that, we're going to close out the video right here. As I'm editing this, it is Saturday. So happy Saturday, everyone. I know today is supposed to be Cheap Finds Friday or a Cheap Finds Friday video, but sometimes it just doesn't work out with the planning. We were out all day yesterday and I didn't have a chance to even access my computer. So I hope you guys still enjoy it on a Saturday. And I didn't show this one to you guys, but yesterday we went to the mall and I ended up getting another North Face jacket. This one was the one that we were actually looking for, but I went ahead and picked this one up. This one was for retail, so a bit pricey, but it's the end of the season. You know, you gotta treat yourself. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below. I also have a bunch of sneakers on my website, as you can see, probably up here somewhere. Shopsotopia.com. If you guys are looking for any shoes, I will have a crazy update within the next couple of videos. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.